Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of tenure. The conditions under which land or buildings are held or occupied. For example, the latter entails redefining land tenure and redistribution of land. The second definition of tenure. The holding of an office. For example, his tenure of the premiership would be threatened. American pronunciation. Tenure. Tenure. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Tenure. Say. Tenure. Tenure means conditions under which land or buildings are held or occupied. Tenure. Tenure. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The latter entails redefining land tenure and redistribution of land. Now, repeat after me. The latter entails redefining land tenure and redistribution of land. The second practice. Most importantly, perhaps the philosophy of land tenure and inheritance was quite different. Now, repeat after me. Most importantly, perhaps the philosophy of land tenure and inheritance was quite different.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.